Hi Vitamart family, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a one-of-a-kind collagen blueberry banana smoothie. And this is one of my favorite smoothie recipes personally, so let's make it. We're going to start off with 2 bananas. Alright, next we're gonna add some frozen blueberries. I usually do like a cup. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which is why I love putting them in my smoothies. And it's just a great fruit, very healthy overall. And next, we're gonna add some greens. And I know that greens in smoothies is like, oh, some people don't prefer it, but you cannot taste spinach in the smoothie, so that's why I always put it. So we're gonna put about a handful of frozen spinach or fresh spinach if you have that too. Next, we're gonna add some protein powder, and protein powder is the best way to go if you just want that extra little bit of protein that you're missing throughout the day. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops because this is for 2 people. And we have a lot of protein powders available on Vitamart.ca, so definitely recommend checking those out. Bunch of flavor varieties as well. For this smoothie, I'm using vanilla. We have a few ingredients left. We're gonna put hemp hearts next. So I usually just eyeball this and do like, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. Next is the key ingredient, which is collagen. And this is my favorite thing of all time because it is great for hair health, nail health, and skin health, and also joints. So as you get older and around in your 20s, you should start taking collagen, and I've been taking this for about a year now, and my hair has grown way faster. My nails have become way less brittle and fragile, and my skin has been clear and glowing and tight as well. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops of this. Again, just 1 scoop per serving. I use the best vitamin collagen that I get from Vitamart.ca, of course, so definitely check it out. We'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Now for the very final ingredients, we're gonna do some almond milk. To the top is what you should do. Now lastly, let's go blend this and we'll be done. All right, so our smoothie is blended. Let's get 2 glasses. And look at this beautiful color. It's because of the blueberries. There we go, perfect smoothie consistency. And cheers to that. Definitely comment below if you are gonna try this recipe. We're very excited for you to try it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not already, and give this video a like because this smoothie is delicious. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.